French Defense Minister Sébastien Lecornu has announced that France has delivered first batch of Mirage 2000 fighter jets to Ukraine to help Kyiv defend its airspace against Russia. Ukrainian pilots have been trained in eastern France to use the jets, which have undergone modifications including to combat Russian jamming. Iran has introduced its first-ever drone carrier, the Shahed Bagher. Iranian news agency has described Shahed Bagheri as cutting-edge naval vessel that can launch and retrieve unmanned combat aircraft and operate a variety of attack reconnaissance drones. The United Aircraft Corporation will showcase its Su-75 Checkmate project at the Aero India 2025 exhibition, which begins on February 10. According to a company representative, the Su-75 development program is nearing completion and prototype production is expected to begin soon. Russia is bringing its next-generation 120mm Lotus self-propelled gun to the global stage for the first time, showcasing it to foreign military specialists at IDEX 2025 in the UAE. Lotus features automated fire controls, boosting accuracy and engagement speed. It has integrated mechanized ammo handling system, which reduces crew workload and increases its rate of fire.